Hi, in this tutorial we will going to talk about the computed columns. The computed columns, it's the way to combine two columns in one column. So any changes on may occur on those two columns, it will be changed on the computed column. So let's see how we can like combine two columns. Let me see here. I have this table. It's called employee table, my employees. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the first and last name as a full name. So I'm selecting everything here and I will going to say, all right, I want the first name plus give a space between the first name, the plus sign where you're going to combine uh, the columns plus the last name as full name. So see guys, this is the first and last name, and to make it easy for you guys, I will going to say here first name, last name, and this is the combined name. See, if I like made here more spaces here, the space here will be increased. So see, this is the space where it's increased. Here where you will going to say the plus sign is where you will going to say, hey, I'll go and adding something to this column, which is you will add it here, these two, as long as you add them and you say, okay, I'm going to add more, which is I'm going to add the last name. Let me try something else here. Do some calculations. Let me go to store table, select everything from store. Here I will do some calculation. It's not like you will go to combine, but not like the way that I did earlier with my employees. I will going to do the calculation like this. I'll say open one of the parentheses and says not this one. Go to this one and say okay, product ID times by the quantity. Okay, I'll say as to total do. And let me see. See guys, now I see my total do underscore or just total, and let me do just like the previous one. I'm going only the columns that I want to combine. Quantity, and see, this is where I will making the total column, and here where my total column, it's a combining between the product ID and the quantity, and it's multiplication between those two columns, and this is my result will be. And this is in select statement. If you want to add this column to your table, simply you can say alter table store and add total as it will be, reverse this process as like this. Now, if I refresh it, I see this is the computed column, and here is my new column. If I go to say select everything, this is my column without doing any like combining in my select statement, just like this one, because I already created the column here. This is where I'm going to just get off this red line. Okay, guys, this is the computed columns. Thank you for watching and see you for next videos.